everyone, today I'm going to tell you about machines.
Machines? What are they?
They are something which makes things easier to do.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Which machine are we going to learn today about?
Surprise, surprise!
I'm feeling thirsty. There is no water nearby. Can someone help?
There is!
Where? A well is there? Let me try to pull the water out of it. It's so heavy. I just can't do it.
Because you need a axis and a pulley.
Oh, excellent pulley. How is that going to help?
You put the axle and a pulley and keep the bucket in and put the rope around. Now try to pull it.
Okay. Oh yes, I'm able to do it. That's wonderful. But how did it help me? I can't understand.
Because you pushing this, the thing is rotating and so your bucket is coming up. Okay, try. Then you'll understand.
So, when I actually push, the pulley rotates.
Yeah.
On the axle it's rotating, so the axis is also required.
Yeah.
Now, can you tell me many other ways where I can use this pulley?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Oh,
It's a
let's see the other one.
Surprise! My lift! That is the
Wow! A lift? How did you make it?
With two pulleys and string, and this is the lift, and three pulleys and a gear motor. But
Why are we using the gear motor?
Because the battery is attached to the gear motor. The
Oh.
shaft is rotating, so the pulley is rotating, so the lift is coming up.
Why, if this pulley rotates, the lift comes up?
Because the string gets round and round. That's why the pulley rotates and the lift comes up.
Oh, so the pulley gets rounded on it.
Yeah.
Oh.
And this big pulley I put it.
Oh, can you just run and show it to us?
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing!
That's you said. Surprise that you don't know that I made a lift.
Yeah, so lifts are also made up and down
Yeah.
with the help of pulleys.
That's what happens with normal lift in your life and in